Hello my friends, this is Forest Family Life, and today we rented from the Home Depot stump grinder. We have 9 stumps that we wanted to remove in our property, and we decided to rent out this machine right here. It's from Home Depot. We rented for 1 day. We'll see how it's gonna work here. It cost to rent $320 plus damage protection $42 and tax $22. So it's totals, if you wanted to rent, total gonna cost this machine approximately $388. It's a $400 to remove some stumps. I hope it's gonna worth it for us. That's how this machine looks like. I hope the taste is good enough. I hope it's gonna work. Just finished going through this stump, and officially I can tell this takes approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes to remove with this machine the whole stump, approximately 22-25 inch diameter. Well, I already get tired, but I have even bigger, approximately 30-inch diameter here. One, yep, approximately 30-inch diameter stump. This is gonna be next one, probably not the next one. It's gonna be next one. I want to finish first those stumps by the garage because I want to make sure I finish those two. This is important because I need to do some job down there. We just finished another stump. It take us approximately 1 hour and 8 minutes. I hope this is gonna be faster. So this one we managed to crush it in 1 hour and 8 minutes. We already working 4 hours, exactly 4 hours. We managed to remove 3 stumps, one bigger and two 16 inches diameter right here. So we spent already 4 hours, 3 stumps is gone. But it was oaks, stumps. So pretty much it's a really hard wood. Now we're gonna try to remove pine. I hope it's gonna be easier. We'll see how machine is gonna work on this stump and we'll see how much time will take us to get this stump done. It's already 1 o'clock morning. keep working whole day on this stumps. We decided not to stopping, but it's already 1 o'clock. We decided to already stop and go sleep for at least 5-6 hours, and gonna continue tomorrow in the morning to finish this stump. This is the biggest and huge stump that takes us already 4 hours to work on that. 4 hours we already spent on that stump. I hope we're gonna finish in next 2 hours in the morning. We just finished removing the log, but we still have to kind of need to clean up all these roots that left from this huge log. Look, it was like a big one. Look at this. The root system is really huge, going up there, up to here, and we need to right now finish and clean up. We have only 1 hour and 30 minutes left. I hope we're gonna finish and done before we have to return the machine to the Home Depot. All right, we work all approximately, I think we did spend 14 hours, even more. We finish going through this stump. It take lots of time. I think we spent around 6 hours on this stump, maybe 5:30. Well, it takes definitely a lot, but this is it. This is mulch already. The stump is gone, and I'm really happy. We managed to cut 1, 2, and 3 behind the car. The rest thing, if there is going to be some roots like this, I can manage take off with my little tractor. It should be good enough. And now we're gonna need to wash it. We use up approximately 15 gallons of fuel. We have really productive 2 days to clean up this area. All right, I think we're gonna finish for today, and we'll see you, my friends, at next video. Bye.